Hello Internet, today I will show you how to replace the oil filter of Kawasaki Ninja 4000. We will start by removing the frame slider, then this plastic and then this plastic, and the same on the other side. Disconnect the battery. So you don't have to remove the whole plastic, just remove the top bolts as I showed, and you will be able to disconnect these pipes from the tank. This one and the other one is more difficult, but you should be able to disconnect it without removing the plastics. Here are the two tubes. The first one have a bracket that should be squished, and the second one have a bracket that you should squish on the opposite sides like this. Let's go to the other side. Now we have to lift the fuel tank, lift it and place something here, and if you can, you could lift it a little more and place more pieces below the reservoir, and I will show you why. Because we need to remove one connection on the right side of the motorcycle. We need to disconnect this pipe. There is a red bracket. Just find where are the two ends of the bracket, push it on the opposite sides and pull the red bracket. So let me show you. That's the bracket. So you have to pull it like this and remove it. There may be a few that will leak from the pipe, so be prepared. Okay, so the next step is to disconnect this cable. It is very hard to get the camera to see where the cable is, so I will put the camera away and I will show you how it looks when the cable is already disconnected. Okay, so the actual tank removal. Lift the tank a little bit from the back of the tank. and pull backward. Okay, so the tank goes inside these two holes, so you have to lift it a little bit from the back and then pull it from these holes. The tank was connected to this cable. The first thing you have to do is to, as you can see, you can pull this connection. It is connected to this plastic, so you have to pull the plastic to this side and then pull it up. Then you have to disconnect this cable. This was connected. You have to disconnect this one. Let me see how. So push here and just pull it. Then disconnect this cable because you have a lot more space to work on, and then remove the tank. Okay, so the rest of the work is easy peasy. You just have to unscrew the bolts, remove the cap and replace the filter. Okay, so before putting the plastics on, we should test if everything runs fine. So connect the battery and test if the motorcycle starts normally.